how to install Steam application. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to the channel, and on this video I will guide you how you can install Steam application on your mobile device. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up Play Store in your device, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner, and in the search bar, search for Steam. Navigate to the first application, that is Steam. If you want to view this application's ratings and review, scroll through it, and here you will find all of the reviews from different accounts. You can scroll through it in order to view the review. Once you have done with that, to install the application, tap on the install button. Now, depending upon your internet connection, it might take some time to install the application. Once the installation is complete, you can open up the application, set it up, log in into your account, and use it. That's it. That's how you install Steam application. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.